Fotona NightLase Snoring Reduction Therapy is a non-invasive, patient-friendly laser treatment for increasing the quality of a patient's sleep. NightLase reduces the effects of sleep apnea and decreases the amplitude of snoring by means of a gentle, laser-induced tightening effect caused by the contraction of your mucosa tissue. Simple, safe and effective. Fotona's patented MIAG laser modality optimizes the length of laser pulses, allowing for the safe penetration of heat into the oral mucosa tissue. It is gentle enough to be used on the sensitive tissue inside the mouth, but strong enough to provide clinically efficacious heating. NightLase Snoring Reduction has a high success rate in producing a positive change in sleep patterns. Research has shown that NightLase Snoring Reduction Therapy reduces and attenuates snoring and provides an effective, non-invasive way to lessen the effects of sleep apnea. A patient-friendly solution. A full course of NightLase Snoring Reduction Therapy consists of 3 separate treatment sessions over a 6-week period. The final results of the treatment have been shown to last up to a year, and the therapy can be repeated. Patients find NightLase to be a highly comfortable and satisfying solution. NightLase requires no device to be worn during sleep and involves no chemical treatment. It's a gentle and easy way for your patients to regain a good night's rest. Call BEAUTONICS now to book your free consultation for your NightLase Snoring Reduction Therapy.